Hi, this is Wayne from Inkish and Printing Connect Online at the UV Open Days here in Nuremberg in Germany. I'm now talking with David Van Loo, who is Sales and Marketing Director of MPRINT. David, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I understand you're part of the Kurtz group.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Is that a recent thing, or how long have you been?
It's a few years ago, or I think 5 or 6 years ago, that we get introduced to the whole Kurtz group. Yes.
Right. Okay. So MPRINT, I sat in on one of the presentations earlier today. So your systems are talking about introducing digital to maybe analog systems, so retrofitting.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit more about how that works.
So you have the existing printing systems which the customer normally is using, and what we can do, we can implement our monojet solution into the existing machines. So you do not have to buy new machines. You can use your existing machines and just upgrade them, for example, with the digital printing system.
Right,
From
okay.
MPRINT.
So does that mean you have to replace a unit, or does it fit between the units?
Sometimes it fits between the units. Sometimes you have to take out one printing system from the existing system, and then just have to put it in our system.
Right, okay. And I mean, apart from the obvious, what kind of advantages can that give you?
Yeah, you're more flexible because, again, this is digital printing with the normal, let's say, flexo printing systems. It's you are using the fixed data, and with the digital printing you are using variable data.
Okay.
Let's say a lot number, expiry date number, a digital product information on the system. So this is upgrading these systems from the analog systems.
Right, okay. So is it just ink, or can you coat using these units?
No, we are using ink.
Okay. So it gives you the option for variable data.
Yes.
And is that multiple colors as well?
Yes. In this system, what you can see here, this is just a black color printing head, but with the other system over there, they can use 4 different colors.
Right, okay. So this is a standalone unit for overprinting in particular?
Now it's for printing for labels, for example,
Okay.
for winery bottles. Right. So you have to, then you can see here, it's a pre-printed foil, a label, and then we just print the 2D code, whatever the customer wants to have on that.
Okay, okay. So the retrofit models, is that multiple color?
Can be.
Right, okay.
It also depends on what is needed.
Right, so does that mean that you actually can increase the amount of colors that you're running on it's predominantly narrow web, is it?
You can start, for example, with a black color or whatever color, and then you can add on 3 more colors on.
Right,
on the system.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's flexibility.
So tell me a little bit more about MPRINT. Whereabouts are you based? Where's your head office? What sort of distribution do you have?
So we are based in the Black Forest.
Oh, very nice.
So it's between, I would say, between Stuttgart and Karlsruhe, so in between.
Okay.
We are a company about 30 to 40 people in total, and again, we belong to the Kurtz group.
Right.
Yeah, that's
okay. So you sell through their global network.
Yes, yeah, and sometimes we use the Kurtz group to help us selling on countries where we're not placed by ourselves.
Right.
In other places, especially Germany, Europe, we do by ourselves.
Right. Okay. Okay. So restrictions with regards to width. Might just let our viewers know where do you sit with regards to the width of machines?
Okay. Normally, one printing has the width of 108 millimeters.
Uh-huh.
So you can multiply it.
Oh, you can.
I think the biggest system we have built was about 1 meter something. But again, typically it's normally between 108 and 540, you would say.
Oh, okay. Oh, so 540, right. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's a great product for companies that are analog,
Correct.
that need that variable data. It's an amazing piece of kit.
Yeah, and again, what my boss explained this morning in the presentation, it's again, you can upgrade.
Yeah.
Again, you don't have to think about take away the old machine and buy a new machine. You use the existing machine and you just implement or integrate our system.
Right.
And we have different, what we call installation kits, where we just see, okay, this is a system, what do we need, and we can integrate it.
Right. Okay. Well, it sounds like a brilliant product. I wish you all the luck. It's really nice to meet you. And you're fairly new to the business, aren't you?
Yes, I started business for MPRINT in April, 1st of April.
Right, okay.
So it's for me also a new assist, a new branch here, but okay, I'm learning every day.
And they've thrown you in the deep end today.
Yes, today they did it.
Brilliant. Very nice to meet you.
Thank you
I hope
much.
it all
Thank
goes
you.
well for you.
Thank you.
Thanks.